my crafty friends, it's Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I'm here on the Not Too Shabby channel today, and I have a slimline card for you today showcasing a couple of products in the Not Too Shabby shop. First of all, I'm going to show you all the products that I'm going to use. I am going to use some Versaclear Nocturne Black ink, and it's a pigment ink, so I can stamp and then heat emboss over top of it. I'm going to be using some Nuvo clear embossing powder, my trusty coffee filter for my embossing powder. I am going to use a sheet out of the Coffee and Friends paper pad. I'm sorry, this is sold out. However, I do have one that I'll give away and the ephemera to match if you leave a comment on both this channel and my channel. So the same video will be on both channels, but you have to leave a comment on both channels. So, and then I will choose the winner. Let's see, I will choose the winner on next Thursday when I do my Not Too Shabby Day, and I will choose the winner for this on my channel, which is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. So I will have this to give away, so that's some incentive for you. So I'm going to make a slimline card, a mini slimline card. I'm going to use this little cute little die as my sentiment spot. I am going to use this stamp set. It is, I forgot the name of it, Drink the Coffee. I'm going to use May Your Coffee Kick In Before Reality Does sentiment. I am going to use, and these are in the, I think I'm missing one. I have to go searching in my drawer. I am going to use this stamp set. It is the mini slimline dies, the scallop edge from Cat Scrappiness dies, or Cat Scrappiness. These dies sold like hotcakes when Jamie. Okay, so I have my two pieces cut, and I'm going to put them on my slimline card, my mini slimline card. I keep saying just slimline. Okay, I don't know if you like coffee, but I'm gauging by the amount of time that it took for this coffee kit to sell out that a lot of you just really liked coffee. And I do too, but I haven't had any in several days due to some extra things I'm doing with my health, and I am missing my coffee. So I'm hoping to get back to it here soon. Okay. So I'm going to use the May Your Coffee Kick In Before Reality Does. And I'm going to stamp it right in the middle there. And then I've got some sequins that I'm going to use. These were from my stash, some brown and some cream colored hearts that I might use the hearts too. Okay. I don't think I need to use my stamping tool because I'm thinking that this will stamp very easily. Yes. And we will cover it with this, and I forgot to use my powder tool, so we will hope that no powder sticks to anything, anywhere that it does not need to stick to. So this is my clear embossing powder. I And the reason I'm doing that is because I kind of wanted it to be a little shiny. And we will see. Okay, let me put it back in before I spill it. Today I spilled sequins all over my desk. So hopefully not going to spill anything else today. Alrighty. Okay, get out my heat gun. And it warped it just a tiny bit, but that's okay. Nice and shiny. And I am going to add some glue dots around while I'm waiting for it to, not glue dots, little spots of glue, while I am waiting for it to dry. I will just add these spots of glue for my sequins. I am going to add the heart right up here at the top. And then the rest of the spots will get some brown ones. Alrighty, and we will just put some liquid glue on the back of this. I think my glue, I left the pin out too long yesterday and it's having a rough time to work. Okay, and I'm going to put it all the way at the top. And there we go. I'm going to put my block on it for a few minutes. And while I pick up these sequins, I guess I will let you know what you need to do to be eligible to win the prize. So what I would like you to do is say in your comments, have you purchased anything from Not Too Shabby before? And maybe tell me one thing from the website that you would like to purchase. Let's make it a little bit more difficult. Okay, so there is my card. May your coffee kick in before reality does. And we have the inside is blank. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.